All right, so here we open up the Agent Studio. This takes me to the UI. Now I can create a workflow from here. I will select an existing workflow so it becomes easy for the demo. I'll give it a name and create the workflow. Now we have our agent, which is a data lakehouse specialist, and we define some of the backstory and the goal for this particular agent. We load our LLM, which is Hermes in this case, and we're going to use our newly built Iceberg MCP server. So I'll add the MCP server here and give it a couple minutes so that we can see the different tools loaded here. Okay, we see all the tools that we want and we say close. That way we save the agent and we can go back to our next section, which is understanding how this agent will work. So let's define a task for that quickly. Here we define what's going to happen, the expected output for the agent, and save the task. In the next step, we go and make connections to our Impala database, which is what we are using as the compute engine for running all of our analysis, and the MCP server uses that compute engines to run and go to Iceberg to figure out the data and the metadata. So here I define all the credentials and I go next. Now I give it an NLQ, which is a natural language query. So I say give me the health of the Iceberg table flights and run the workflow. So what's happening in the background is, we are trying to call and invoke different tools or MCP servers. Here in this case, we have the Iceberg MCP server, and that's what the main default manager is trying to call the data lakehouse specialist, and the data lakehouse specialist is internally calling the Iceberg MCP server. It uses the get table health tool specifically to understand what is the number of small files, what is the partition strategy looks like, if the rows are ordered in a way that it needs to be, right? So once the analysis is done, we can expect the agent to give us a comprehensive analysis of the table health. And now we can see this is a PDF that is generated and it gives us a good idea of the particular table, right? For example, it says that there are 2 snapshot, 12 files, 12 partition. Overall, the table is healthy, looks great, and we can go ahead and deploy this particular agentic workflow. So that's it.